Hello traders, in this video we'll begin a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now in this week GBPJPY acted exactly the same way we anticipated in our previous weekly market analysis. In our previous weekly market analysis on a daily time frame we showed how GBPJPY formed this beautiful head and shoulder pattern, and we were anticipating, since GBPJPY formed this beautiful head and shoulder pattern with these long moves on a daily time frame, so this head and shoulder pattern has a higher importance over here to be playing out really well. And we anticipated if GBPJPY makes a breakout of this head and shoulder patterns neckline, it would also be making a breakout of this major support zone over here, and that might lead GBPJPY to come all the way down to retest this high over here, which you see on a weekly time frame right around here. And in this week GBPJPY acted exactly the same way. After making a breakout of that head and shoulder pattern over here with this bearish move, it came all the way down to retest this key zone, which we anticipated over here at this low over here. And we got some pretty cool trades on the breakout of that head and shoulder pattern, which we talked about in our Instagram story as well. So if you haven't followed on our Instagram, then you can check out the link in the video description and follow us on Instagram for this kind of regular updates on these trades. So anyways, with the way we made entries on the breakout of that head and shoulder pattern is that after we saw how GBPJPY made a break and close below this neckline, like this support zone with this bearish engulfing candle, then we went to this shorter time frame, like 4-hour time frame, just like we explained, and we look for a certain structure over here after it made a break and close below this key zone, and that structure was right here that GBPJPY formed. When we went to this 30 minutes time frame, we got to see the structure even better over here in this 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, it made a breakout of this key zone over here, made a break and close, and then formed this beautiful structure over here. And just like we explained in our previous weekly market analysis, we entered on the breakout of that structure with further bearish move right around here, setting our stop loss just above this structure right around here, anticipating GBPJPY on a higher time frame to come all the way down to retest this low over here, where we closed our trades, which is at this low over here. So we entered right around here on the breakout of that structure and closed our trades on this low right around here. So anyways, after we got these winning trades on GBPJPY, we can see that GBPJPY, after coming all the way down with further bearish move to come retest this key zone, which is our second key zone where GBPJPY might come to. So after it made a retest to this key zone, it faced this huge price ejection. As you can see, it closed the week with this long wick facing like this, showing signs of respecting this key zone as a major support zone on GBPJPY. Now this also respects the idea of GBPJPY continuing in this uptrend channel, which it has been continuing for a really long time. So GBPJPY might have found its strong support around at this key zone, might have made its deeper pullback after all this bullish engulfing move. This deeper pullback move from GBPJPY happened in respect to this uptrend channel that it has been following for a really long time, all the way from here to all the way over here. Since you can see how right after retesting this uptrend channel's upward trend line, or like this key level, it faced this price rejection followed by this bearish engulfing move over here. So for the past 2 to 3 weeks, we've been anticipating how GBPJPY might start its bearish run to all the way retest this uptrend line once again. So GBPJPY could either continue to push up with further bullish move, continuing its bullish uptrend move like that it has been respecting over here from this key zone, or it might come down again with further bearish move to probably make new lower low, or probably retest this uptrend line once again. But if it continues with further bullish move from here, then you can also adjust this uptrend channel something like this. It would also still respect this uptrend channel over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see how GBPJPY has this major key zone which it made a breakout of and came down all the way to retest this key zone over here. And also you can draw another downtrend line which GBPJPY has been respecting while moving in this bearish engulfing move over here. So GBPJPY does look like on its way to almost making a retest to this key zone over here, and if it makes a break and close above this key zone, then it would also be almost making a breakout of this downtrend line as well, which might lead GBPJPY to get under this ranging phase right over here and might lead GBPJPY to come all the way retest this key zone over here. Now on a 4-hour time frame, So my anticipation for the upcoming week on GBPJPY is that GBPJPY might very well be coming all the way up to retest this key zone and probably make a retest on this downtrend line once again, probably over here at this key level or at this key zone over here. And if you see GBPJPY facing strong price rejection right after making a retest to this downtrend line over here at this key level or this key zone, then GBPJPY might come down with further bearish move by breaking below some sort of a support around here with further bearish move to probably make a proper pullback over here to form a new uptrend line, something looking like this, to make a breakout of this downtrend line and continuing with further bullish move all the way up to retest this key zone or make new higher high. Or GBPJPY might also continue to go down with further bearish move to probably make new lower low if GBPJPY faces a strong price rejection right after retesting this downtrend line over here. However, if GBPJPY, instead of respecting this downtrend line over here, if GBPJPY makes a breakout of this downtrend line and probably make a breakout of this possible key level like this with further bullish move, then GBPJPY might come all the way up to retest this key zone over here, which you saw on the daily time frame right around here. And also you can see how much of an important key zone that is, as you can see all these retest points on this key zone over here. So GBPJPY, if is to continue to go up, it needs to make a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move. So GBPJPY on the upcoming week could either come over here to make a retest on this downtrend line and continue to go down to probably make a proper pullback or continue making new lower low, or GBPJPY might make a breakout of this downtrend line and like this high with further bullish move might continue coming all the way up to retest this key zone over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to get the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll give you a link to this full trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can just click and see where all these key zones and all these trend lines and stuff are.